Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have again one fun activity for you, vegetable painting. Friends, first I'll dip ladyfinger in it. Now I'll press it in center in the sheet. Now I did in this, now I'll do in second. Friends, now make that. Now I'll one dot I'll put in center. Friends, I have made the flower. I have made few more flowers and leaves and everything. I'll show you. It's far away. I'll show you. Wow! It's new. It is looking beautiful. Friends, now I'm doing potato painting. For that I'm using green color. Now friends, we'll put on these fans green color. Put on fan the green color. See? Now I'll see how good impression will come. Let's see. Wow! I just finished it right now. See how much good it is looking. Now I'll do one onion painting and one capsicum painting. I'm putting in the color the capsicum. See how much good impression will come. Let's see. Now see, I have dipped. Now let's see how much good impression will come. Wow! See, it comes good. Friend, now on onion also I have put green and yellow. Now see the impression. Let's see. Wow! And see how beautiful it is looking. You are liking today's activity. Thank you for watching. Bye.